Season's ceiling fan assembly. Season's ceiling fans come pre-assembled right out of the box with virtually no hardware to assemble. The exclusive quick install blades are a snap to install without hardware or tools, and the twist and lock plastic shade make this a fast and easy installation. Season's ceiling fan assembly. Competition instructions. Start at the end of the competition table with both hands placed on the timer until the light turns green. Start the time by taking both hands off the timer. Place the fan blades and plastic shade in tote. Move to the right side of the table to the work area. Complete the following in any sequence. Attach 3 fan blades. The fan will be free to turn. Install 1 plastic shade. Return the tote to the starting area beyond the checkered line on the table. Place both hands on the timer to stop the time. Complete this challenge by installing 3 fan blades and 1 plastic shade. Here's how to do it. Pick up the parts, go to the work area, and complete these steps. Install 3 fan blades to the arms, securing each with the locking arm. Install 1 plastic shade by screwing it on to the light fixture. Keep up the pace and get recognized as one of the fastest techs in the USA. Now, for judges, please make sure to inspect the following items for each competitor. The judge will review the following requirements to certify the game was completed successfully. 3 fan blades are correctly attached and locked in place. The is correctly mounted. Tote is returned to the starting area beyond the checkered line on the table. A callback will be applied if any of the above requirements are not completed on the first pass. Show the sponsors your support. Go to hdsupply-solutions.com and search Maintenance Mania to buy Season's ceiling fans. Maintenance Mania is brought to you by the National Apartment Association, HD Supply, and these national sponsors.